Hello children, welcome to you in the bio class. Children, in this class you have to study about hormones. I have told you in the previous video, hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are also called ductless gland. So why endocrine glands are called ductless glands? Because the secretion of endocrine glands are carried by blood. There is no duct to carry the secretion of endocrine glands to the target organs. Children, the secretion of endocrine glands are called hormones, and these hormones are chemical messenger. The word hormones, name of chemical messenger, hormone was given by H. Starling in 1905. H. Starling had given the name of chemical messenger which are secreted by endocrine gland, hormone. The word hormone has taken from Greek word harmoin. English meaning of harmoin is to excite. So it means hormone excite the organs of the body. Children, first hormone was discovered by William M. Bayliss and Ernst H. Starling. Secretin was the first hormone which was discovered by William M. Bayliss. Children, Thomas Edison is known as father of endocrinology. Endocrinology is the branch of the biology in which we study the structure and functions of endocrine gland. The science concerned with the structure, function of endocrine glands, diagnosis and treatment of disorders of endocrine gland is known as endocrinology. Father of endocrinology is Thomas Edison. Children, you know there are some glands which are carried by duct. Such glands are called exocrine gland. Endocrine glands are ductless. Exocrine glands have duct. The secretion of endocrine gland are hormone, but secretion of exocrine glands or enzymes are other substance. The secretion of endocrine glands act away from the site of secretion, but exocrine glands act at the site of the secretion and away also. The secretion of endocrine glands are transported by the blood, but secretion of exocrine glands are transported by duct. So children, you studied hormones. What are the hormones? So hormones are the chemical messengers which are secreted by endocrine glands and from the site of secretion to the target organs carried by blood. There is no duct to carry the secretion. The term hormone was used by Ernest H. Starling, and first hormone discovered by William M. Bayliss and Ernst H. Starling. First hormone which was discovered by them was secretins. Children, you studied what is endocrinology. Endocrinology is the branch of biology in which we study about the structure, functions of endocrine glands, diagnosis and treatment of disorders of endocrine gland. And father of endocrinology is Thomas Edison. Children, you have to know the properties of hormones. Hormones are secreted by the gland and carried to the target organ by the blood. So hormones are secreted directly into the blood. Hormones regulate the physiological process by chemical means. Hormones act on target organ, and that target organ is away from the site of secretion. Hormones produced in one species usually show similar influence to the other species. It means the function of hormones is the same in all the species of organisms. Hormones are secreted in very small quantities and are biologically active. Hormones are organic compounds. Some hormones are peptides, some are amines, and some are steroids. Hormones act only specific organs of the body, and excess and deficiency of hormones may lead to serious consequences. It means there must be normal secretion of hormones. If hormone secretion is more, then that is hyposecretion or oversecretion, and there are serious consequences of oversecretion of hormones. If there is less secretion of hormones, that is called hyposecretion or undersecretion, and there are some serious consequences of less secretion of hormones. Therefore, hormones must be secreted by in the normal quantity which is required in the body. The action of hormone is slow, and hormones usually work on the principle of feedback inhibition. Feedback inhibition means the secretion of a hormone is stimulated or inhibited by the end product of its activity. Hormones prepare the body to cope with emergency. So children, I told you what are the properties of hormones or what are the characteristics of hormones. What are the main point that you have to learn? First is hormones are directly secreted into the blood, and hormones are carried to the target organs by the blood. Hormones regulate the physical process by chemical means. Hormones act only on target organs and that target organs is away from the site of secretion. Hormones influence the activities in all the species of organisms. Chemically, some hormones are peptides, some are amines, and some are steroids. Oversecretion and undersecretion are leading to serious consequences. It means oversecretion and undersecretion of hormones both are harmful. Children, hormones are not stored in the body and they are destroyed or excreted immediately after their action.